So, I'm in K-Town, and it's Friday night. Of course, it's super busy. It's like standstill traffic everywhere you go. I mean, just the light changes and like maybe 3 cars move up. It's like this every weekend. But yeah, K-Town's pretty interesting. Lots of good food. There's Mama Lion, where all the kids like to party. I don't know, it's looking like it's closed. It's like dark. I'm about to get to Love Hour, where the wine night is. There's a wine club in K-Town, Clink Wine Club, and they get together once a month. Good music. Usually there's a live DJ and natural wines, and Love Hour's cheeseburger. So it's the 2nd year anniversary of that event, so I'm about to head over there, and yeah, it's impossible. Like, look at that. Like, this guy's trying to cut in. Like, what do you want me to freaking do? Like, I'm stuck. Like, this is so bad. Like, look at this. Look at all these cars. Like, this is for the valet to the event. The event is where that Bum Sand Organic Milk Bar is showing. So like, it's gonna be like that. Look at these people just jaywalking everywhere. I mean, this is how it is in K-Town. Like, every weekend, it's a living nightmare. That's why I don't live here. I mean, I lived here for like almost a year, a couple years ago, and I just couldn't deal with it. It was just too much. And you know, I'm glad I don't live here anymore. But it's kind of fun to come down here once in a while, just party and stuff, and hang out with friends, and you know, good food. So there's that. So I'm gonna try to find parking down here. I usually get lucky, and we'll see. Try to find my luck. I'll put you guys over here. Dash cam view. Got a spot over here last time. I was pretty lucky. We'll see. Doesn't look like I'm gonna see any parking spots. All right. I have to turn around. Yeah, this is quite common. You just gotta navigate around, and it is what it is. So I'll check you in a few when I find some parking. Dude, it literally took me like a full hour. It felt like an hour. I think it was more like half an hour to find parking. I mean, I still haven't really found parking. This is just the electric parking, blue LA parking thing. Member only. I don't think I could park here. Back to searching. I did it. 1 hour parking, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Fuck. That sweet parking. That sweet free parking. Dude, this is impossible, man. I can't fucking do this. I can't fucking do this. Found parking, but now the place we're going to, I think they just started not letting people in, so there's gonna be a line when I get there, so it's gonna be hella annoying, but we'll see what happens. Hey, what's up? Are you filming? Are you filming? Just straight up from the bottom. Catch up. I'm not gonna drink. You're not gonna drink? I'm not gonna drink. Oh shit. Hello. Hey Kathleen. Gangnam Pocha or Mama Lion later? Okay, okay. See you there. I already know, bro. It's okay. But it's okay. How many do we have? I don't know. We got the table. I mean, there's a bunch of space. Yeah, they went through the back. Okay. Why? What are you getting? Hi, friends. I'm so hungry. They have food here, right? Hang on. You're not drinking, right? Okay. So 5 of us. I'm gonna drink, but why am I so sick? I've been there. Oh, we know. Low battery mode, man. This shit is fire. I think. I'm not gonna drink like that. You're not a Semipro boy, bro? No. Wait. Alright, so the alcoholic. No, you have a light lunch. You just gotta. There you go, that's how Patrick does it. Yeah. No, that's dangerous. That's how you get stomach cancer. You just gotta quit drinking for like a month or 2 and then start drinking again. I said light lunch. It's not like I'm not having nothing for lunch. I know, but man, it's so bad for your stomach. I already fucked up my digestive system doing that in college. That's kimchi and cheese, man. I get hungry really fast. I can see that. Yeah, I'll let you guess. I would say like. I would say like. I was thinking Filipino, but maybe not. Yeah, we're together. Kind of close. Oh, Indonesian. A little bit more north. Cambodian, Vietnamese, Thai, Thailand, Burma. Thai, yeah. Oh, Thai, okay. Yeah, that was terrible. You have to guess like everywhere around. No, I know that. I get that a lot. My new boss, she's like, no, your turn. What do you think? What ethnicity? I'm half, but I'm near where you're from. You don't even give them that. Biotechnology. Close. Yeah, close. Half. Like pharmaceutical. A little southeast of where you're from. Do you like them that much? We had a great time in college, man. That's when your body can start rebounding back pretty quick. I think if you knew how much trouble we got into in college, especially this guy, I don't know. He was dangerous. He was dangerous. Dangerous to what? Like everyone, himself. Remember all the parties we went to, and they were like the cops would come and would just run out with Sky vodka and stuff. Were you there? That's like fucking super bad. But then yeah, I was all the alcohol. Were you there? He's like, hey, pour that out. And I just took off. And then one girl, we're driving the car. Oh yeah, where are you? Oh yeah, I was just running down the street. I don't know. You're so far, right? I'm like 3/4 Thai and 1/4 Chinese. You tried this ice cream before?
I have. I feel like it's not that special.
You don't think so? I like the original, the true milk.
I think it's not like matcha.
I really like it. The milk.
I mean, I would try it again.
The other flavors are not as interesting to me. I just like the original.
Oh, the milk.
The original milk.
Okay, I'll try that one.
Dude, this car has like 1/4 of the bumper missing. Look at this shit. Hell yeah. Everything's sticky. PBR, high life. If
It's called the champagne of beers.
Banquet beer.
Banquet beer. Yeah, we have the same birthday. We're roommates.
And you guys are roommates. Doesn't mean you guys have the same birthday.
It's just by chance.
These guys only told me, oh, you guys are roommates and blah blah blah.
Almost 12.
It's that late already? Yep. We should just go hang out in there. Might as well.
If they don't let us in, I'm down to go back.
Yeah.
We'll just buy something to the store and then go back. Yeah.
Yeah.